Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Richard back again with another unboxing video, and today it's the new 1080p Blu-ray limited edition set of American Pie, The Wedding from 88 Films here in the UK. So let's get this one opened and check it out. So much like American Pie and American Pie 2 and also American Reunion, this is a limited edition set from 88 Films. Let's zoom in on this for you to have a look at. So again, we've got the nice metallic foil slipcover with the emboss work for the pie and also for the title, also in gloss as well. The 15 certificate for the BBFC is part of the design. It's not a sticker, it can't be removed. Okay, same treatment. No. That's printed. Okay, and we can see the Universal logo at the bottom. Okay, let's have a look at the back. So it also includes the unrated version you couldn't see in the theatres. So there's the synopsis. And we've got a lot of special features here. So we've got HD presentations of the theatrical version and the unrated version presented in high definition and the 2.35 to 1 aspect ratio. It's got 5.1 and 2.0 DTS HD master audio tracks. The artwork is by Tommy Pocket. So it's 96 minutes for the R-rated and 103 minutes for the unrated cut. Okay, let's take the slipcover off to reveal the rigid outer slip case. Again, it's got this really nice glossy image in the middle and on the spine for the title. And there's the back. Okay, take everything out and show you the inside. Really solid, and it's finished in white. So we've got a card, which is a matte finish and textured on the back. So normal 14mm UK sized keep case, finished in blue. Same information on the back. I'll check if it's a 50 gig. It should be. There's the internal image. And yeah, it's 50 gig. Okay, and finally onto the booklet. All finished in matte. Haven't seen this film in a very long time. Looks like this is just a poster book. I know a lot of you won't be happy about that. Yeah, it's quite nice. So put it all back together. Be interesting to hear in the comments what you thought of this movie. And what do you think about this limited edition set from 88 Films? But if you enjoyed the video, please give us a like, consider subscribing, sharing. But again, always look forward to reading your comments, and thank you for watching. See you again soon. Goodbye.